Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Valorant. All right. First thing that you need to do here is that you're going to want to make sure that Valorant or Riot client is not running in the background. All right. Just go ahead over to the bottom right of your taskbar right here. Right click on Riot client and hit on exit. Once done, right click on a blank space right here on your taskbar again and hit on task manager. This one will load. Just go ahead and maximize this. All right, and look for any Vanguard or Riot client related services that is running in the background right here. If you can spot one, just go ahead and right click on it and hit on End Task. Once done, close this one. Go ahead over to your search bar and type in Add or Remove Programs. All right, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it. And in here, simply locate Valorant, all right, which is right here. In the three dots, click on it and hit on uninstall. There will be a prompt. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Just click on install if you're certain. All right, click on it and this one will pop up. Just wait for the process to finish. And as you can see here in the background, Valorant is gone. The game has been successfully uninstalled. Just hit on done, close this one, restart your computer, and that's how you uninstall Valorant. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.